I just want to drop this in before you even start recording.
Why?
Because I did. Hi, and welcome to Plate It. I'm Mark, and today we're doing a pork fried rice, barbecue pork fried rice. So we're going to do the marinade first. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe. And if you like the video, hit the like button for the recommendations and give us good comments so we can go back and forth with you. So let's get started with the marinade. For make Chinese pork fried rice, you gotta have three things to make the marinade to make it Chinese. We've got a tablespoon of the rice wine vinegar. And we'll put that on first. We'll put the light soy sauce on second. And a pinch of sugar, make it third. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna massage it all in. That's why I have the gloves on today. And before we do that, it's a pork fried rice, so I'm gonna put a little beet juice in here. You can use other things, dyes and everything, but I just wanted to use some beet juice that I juiced up just now, and I'm gonna pour it over it. And the cut of meat that we used today was like a pork butt. It comes from the shoulder. I don't know why they call it the pork butt, but it's a pork butt. Be very careful with this here as you're massaging it in. And we're gonna marinate it for about 1 hour. Okay, so it marinated for an hour. We put it in the oven and baked it off for about 30 minutes, checking on it. And then we glazed it with some Korean barbecue sauce. The beet juice has penetrated the meat totally and has caused the meat to become red as well. And that's what you want to achieve with a barbecued fried rice. So we're gonna go ahead and get started with cutting it up, and then we'll go into the kitchen and get the wok.
Who knew you'd come into my life with nothing to lose? Then you took me by surprise and left me confused. You said, don't you worry, it's not you, it's just me, my love. So don't waste it on me, you'll find somebody who's enough for you. Undo all the effortless nights that I spent with you. 'Cause it's true, I never wanted to fight on our every move. You said, don't you worry, it's not you, it's just me, my love. So don't waste it on me, you'll find somebody who's enough for you, for you, for you, for you, for you, for you.